All right, this is from an American manufacturer called ReadiMask. Ready, set, mask. Global safety first. These guys started, I believe they're based in New Jersey, and they started, a lot of Jersey today. They started this company after the towers fell. They actually made this for like first responders, which is really cool. And he's got all these different versions, and it's crazy. It's flat folded, and it uses this, I'll show you, and it goes on your face. I can't just use my normal apparatus or the one we were using before because it won't appropriately test this. This is an N95, an actual Niosh N95. And the CEO of this company sent me their testing apparatus. And he sent it to me a week after we moved our lab. It's been a while since I've had this, so John, I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart. But we're testing it now. Check this out. Isn't that crazy? This is gonna go on here. It's made to go on this guy here. This is Niosh approved. This is legit. We are not making this up, guys. All right. So it's a little confusing to use, and I'll show you how it works on the face. Oop. John's probably watching this just cringing like, Lloyd, what are you doing? So I think it goes like this. And what this crazy, super innovative design has done is it makes it so that you get a 100% seal. Look at that. Oh, sorry, you're getting the top of my head. So, let's see. You can imagine that going around your face. I'll show you how it fits on mine. This is what you guys show up for, right? This crazy stuff. I mean, if you like this, if this is interesting to you, you should seriously seek professional help, okay? This is a warning sign. It's interesting to me though, so I get it. I get it! All right. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do from the top shot because I want you to see the nuclear arm codes. I love that. That's my favorite feature. Basically, the air is being sucked, and what this apparatus does is it allows us to fully test this entire thing. And now look at this. 100 pascals, super breathable. That is an insanely breathable N95. All right, I'm gonna go off here, I'm gonna go on here, and I'm actually gonna get one of these guys. 102, well, it's not done yet, but 103. It'll give us an average. All right, now I'm gonna show you how this works. So it's got this medical grade, and I'm telling you, to get something medical grade past like, I mean, this is no joke. This is like John's life work to make this happen. All right, so this is gonna go and seal on the top of your face. Is this gonna pull out? What's the over under on this pulling out every one of my beard hairs? Is this gonna hurt, guys? What do you think? Write in the comments here. Okay, and this is over the beard. Sealed, okay? Fully sealed. I don't know if it's coming off. It might stay on forever. Super breathable. Holy cow. Super breathable. Oh, it smells like a recently renovated furniture store. Like furniture store it smells like a furniture store. This is a furniture store mask. That's incredible. So this should give you an incredible seal. Now, you shouldn't have a beard if you really care about safety. Clearly I don't. I run a mask factory, don't care about safety. Now normally I'd say like, does it protect you? But I'm actually curious if this is gonna rip off my face and I'm gonna lose hair. What do you think? You think I'm gonna lose hair? Did I lose hair? Would not recommend that. Actually, no. Not a single hair. Look at that. And I think you could probably reuse this a couple times, to be honest. Super breathable. Super breathable. But does that matter if it doesn't protect you? What does the machine say? TSI, speak to me. 97.42. 97.42% and 104.4 pascals. Super breathable, super innovative. super protection. John, global safety first. This is a good mask. This is American-made ingenuity, made as a response to the 9/11 crisis. So that's pretty good. Made in the US, yeah. Made in the USA. 100% made in the USA. Thank you, John, for sending this. I really appreciate you.